Hello everyone, I'm Shatmika from your channel Apple Mihi. So I'm really sorry that I hadn't posted videos for so long. Once again I'm really sorry. So today you're going to be seeing a new video, and that is our small garden. There where we have some trees and all. So today in this video you're going to see our small garden, and I think you would love it. So come on, let's get started. Straight here we have a papaya tree, and it's here. Let me show you the papaya. See? It's a big one. It's growing now only. And there's small papayas which hadn't grown. We use this for playing. If you cut it, it'll be like a round in the circle center. It'll be super. So, and here's the papaya tree. So coming upon next down, we have a teak wood. So we have a teak wood tree which is really so tall. It's a teak leaf there. Teak wood tree. So let me show you the full view there. Here's the teak wood tree. It was so tall. Got that. So here I have a big teak leaf. It's really so big. I love it. So we have a small mango tree which hasn't grown properly yet. Still is growing. And after this mango tree coming up, we have a drumstick tree here. You can see it hasn't grown properly. It has grown like straight, tall up there and here and all. It's really bent and grown. And you can see a small cute drumstick here. So, small cute drumstick. Come on, let's go to the next. And here we have another teak wood tree. Near the teak wood tree, we have a neem plant, neem tree. Neem tree, it's really good. It has some antibacterial power, right? So it hasn't grown so tall and all. Next, we have a mango tree which is years old. I'm not sure how much years it is, but it's so tall. It gives us many mangoes. And coming up here, we have a sapodilla tree. Sapotas hasn't grown yet because not the season right now. And after that, this is the mango tree I've shown, and here's the mangoes. So coming up here, we have a banana tree. That's also tall too. Near that we have a mango tree. And here, this is fallen down. We didn't take it, but still it's fallen down. And we just take this and we use it for playing. Just take this and we just use it. It's really nice. And here we have a big papaya tree. And there are papayas there. I think you could see it. And now coming up like this, we have another mango tree. Another mango tree. And here too we have a mango tree. This is so much years old. After this mango tree, we have a small sandalwood tree. Sure. Sandalwood tree is this. And near that sandalwood tree, we have a jackfruit tree. It's really so big. You can see some jackfruits growing here. It's so nice. It's a little bigger one and it's a little smaller. And here also, there are small and big jackfruits growing. Looks so cute. And that's it. Yeah, you can see here also. Here also there's some jackfruit growing. Yeah, and that's all is our small garden. I hope you liked our small garden tour, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.